Ever dropped your wallet on an international adventure? Imagine this. You're on the trip of a lifetime, exploring bustling markets in Marrakesh, feeling the spray of Niagara Falls, or scaling the Great Wall of China. Suddenly, your stomach growls, time for lunch. You reach for your wallet, but dread fills your heart. Did you activate international use for your card? Will that charming street vendor even accept it? Traveling internationally is amazing, but navigating foreign currencies and payment systems can be a stressful headache. Fear not, fellow Globetrotters. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho cards and their international functionality. So buckle up, because we're about to answer the burning question, can you use your Koho card abroad? Koho cards, conquering the globe, or most of it. The good news is, yes. Koho cards, being prepaid MasterCards, are widely accepted around the world. MasterCard boasts a network of millions of merchants across over 200 countries, so you can ditch the piles of cash and swipe, or tap, your way through most purchases. Think vibrant souks in Istanbul, trendy cafes in Paris, or even that souvenir t-shirt you just have to get in Tokyo. Your Koho card will likely be your trusty companion. Not all Koho cards are created equal when it comes to international fees. Hold on a second, Globetrotters. While Koho cards are your international payment passport, there's a slight nuance to consider: fees. Koho offers different account tiers, and their international transaction fees vary. Here's the breakdown. Koho Extra and Everything accounts. These premium tiers eliminate foreign transaction fees, making them ideal for frequent travelers. You can spend freely in pesos, euros, yen, or any other currency without worrying about extra charges. Basic and free accounts. For these more basic plans, a 1.5% foreign transaction fee applies. While it's not a bank breaker, it's something to keep in mind if you're on a tight budget. ATMs, your Koho card's foreign cash lifeline. Let's face it, there will always be situations where you need physical cash. Maybe that charming bookstore in Prague only accepts notes, or you want to grab some street food at a bustling night market. The good news is you can use your Koho card at ATMs abroad. However, a few things to remember. Regular ATM fees apply. Just like at home, there may be ATM withdrawal fees depending on the network you use. Koho itself doesn't charge extra, but the ATM operator might. Look for ATMs in the MasterCard network for potentially lower fees. Foreign exchange rates. Withdrawing cash usually involves a currency conversion, and the exchange rate might not be the most favorable. It's always a good idea to research the mid-market rate beforehand. While Koho cards are fantastic travel companions, there are a couple of limitations to consider. Limited support in certain countries. Koho acknowledges that their cards might not work in every single nation. While the list is very small, it's always a good idea to check their website for any potential restrictions before your trip. Security measures. Sometimes, international transactions might trigger Koho's security protocols. If this happens, you might need to verify your identity or contact customer support to get things running smoothly again. Conquer the world with confidence and your Koho card. So, can you use your Koho card internationally? The answer is a resounding yes, with a few minor considerations regarding fees and potential limitations. For frequent travelers, the premium Koho accounts with waived foreign transaction fees are a great option. For more casual adventurers, even the basic plans offer a convenient and secure way to pay abroad, with a small fee for the added flexibility. Ultimately, Koho cards are a fantastic tool to simplify your international adventures. Do your research, choose the plan that best suits your travel style, and get ready to explore the world with confidence and a lighter wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.